A short trainer say, just find a seat. Hey, we have to gist, we have to talk. In fact, news are back. News. Africa Games 2023. Akufo-Addo calls sword for construction of Botiman Sports Complex. Come and see this sport complex. Oh, come and see this sport complex. Oh. Hello gist partners, you are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. My short trainer say, just find a seat. Make sure that you find a space to sit. Just find somewhere to sit. We have to gist, we have to talk. In fact, news are back. News what? News are back. News are back. Hey, there's no need to talk too much. You know what? Let's just dive right into the gist. As it dey what? As it dey hot. Africa Games 2023. Akufo-Addo calls sword for construction of Botiman Sports Complex. You hear that? I will continue. President Akufo-Addo has called sword for the commencement of construction works on a sports complex at Botiman, which will host some sporting events during the 2023 African Games. I take it again. Which will host some sporting event during the 2023 African Games to be staged in Accra in 2023. Body is sweet in me. Let me continue. Government initially announced plans to construct a 50,000 capacity stadium at Botiman to host the games, but those plans were shelved last month, with government citing time constraint as reason for the decision. Instead, the University of Ghana Stadium will now serve as the center of the games, with complementary facility to be constructed at Botiman to support the games. The sport complex at Botiman, which will cost an estimated $145 million, will house the following facilities: 400-meter 6-lane athletics warm-up track with playing field for football, washrooms for male and female, spectator stand for 500 people, 1,000-seater competition swimming pool, collapsible to 500, 8-lane competition swimming, 8-lane warm-up swimming pool, 500-seater temporary dome, handball, judo, karate, taekwondo, etc. 1,000-seater multi-purpose sport hall, badminton, boxing, volleyball, weightlifting, and etc. 5 tennis court complex, including 1,000-seater center court, covered spectator stand with a VVIP viewing stand, space for children's playground. President Akufo-Addo also announced that the facility will be converted into a university for sports development, and as a result, additional facilities such as lecture halls, student hostel, among others, will be added to the Botiman complex to serve this purpose. The total investment into the project will rise to $195 million. When the educational facilities are added, the games will see all 54 African countries participating, with over 4,000 athletes expected to take part in the 12-day event in August 2023. You hear it? You hear it? If you don't know what you are talking about, if maybe you are saying, what is she saying? What are they saying? I'm not the one who said it. It is President Akufo-Addo who have, said all these things. I am not the one saying it. But let me just throw more light. All these are planned towards the African Games in August 2023, which should be hosted in Ghana, in Accra to be specific. So plans are being put in place so that everything will go smoothly, because Ghana will be hosting other African countries. So they have to prepare very well. So that is all the preparation that is going. They started the construction for, the sports complex at Botiman, which would not be enough. So they will also be using the stadium in University of Ghana. Like, they also be using that. So plans are ongoing. Everything is ongoing. You see the way he listed the things that will be in this, sports complex, all the things they will put inside. I should go and start planning, because me too, I want to come and see. I want to come and see. Hey, come and see this sport complex. Come and see this sport complex. So guys, start getting prepared for August 2023, because it's going to be massive. It's going to be interesting. Hey, it will be safe. Better start preparing myself, because all this preparation put in place, I know that it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be wonderful. It's going to be looking, in fact, I don't know what else should I say. It's going to be looking just, out of this world. So beautiful. I can't even wait to see it. I can't wait to see when they are finished and how everything will, you know, just be in place. Hey, in fact, guys, at least let me just show you a picture of, like, you know, the plan, what they are looking towards, what they are thinking towards. Hey, just check it out. What do you think? What do you think? Hey, you don't see that the thing is looking very, very beautiful? You don't see that the plan is a very wonderful plan? It's a very lovely plan. It's a very what? Beautiful plan. Yeah. So that is it. So I said, let me bring it to you guys, so because construction have started, things are started being put in place, everything is, you know, just going smoothly. They're just, you know, putting things in order. Come August 2023, in fact, we all will be there live and direct. What are you telling me? Before Uncle, we'll be there live and direct. So prepare yourself so that we'll be there. So guys, I said let me come and give you the news. If you have watched to this point, I say thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? You don't want to hear latest gist, you don't want to hear latest news. Just hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it, so that anytime I post any new video, you will be the first to hear. Nobody will tell you. You will just hear background. There's a what? A new gist. To my returning subscribers, as we normally do, our dance. We for what? We for dance. My G's partners. My G's partners. My G's partners. Thank you for your love, your support. God bless you all, and see you all in my next video. Bye.